Kikoff provides two credit-building options for people looking to establish or improve their credit history and credit score. The first is a credit account that gives you access to a line of credit with a $750 limit that you can use to make and pay off purchases from the Kikoff store, which offers inexpensive products like e-books and courses focused on entrepreneurship and financial literacy. This account comes with a minimum 12-month repayment term and $5 monthly payments that are reported to Equifax and Experian. After the first year, you can opt to renew your credit line once per year for as long as you'd like. If you'd like to build even more credit, your second choice is a Kikoff Credit Builder loan that comes with a 12-month repayment term and monthly payments of $10. You'll have the option to add this product once you sign up for the credit account and make your first payment. Who Kikoff is best for? Kikoff's credit-building products offer several perks, which could make them the best choice if you are looking for inexpensive options. Kikoff's credit account requires monthly payments of only $5, while the Credit Builder loan requires $10 per month. Additionally, Kikoff's products come with a 0% annual percentage rate, APR, and the company doesn't charge administrative, annual, or late fees. Want to build history with all of the credit bureaus? If you open a Kikoff credit account as well as a Credit Builder loan, you'll have payments from at least one product reported to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Can't qualify for traditional loan products? To get approved for a traditional line of credit or personal loan, you'll typically need good to excellent credit. A good credit score is usually considered to be at least 670. But with Kikoff, you don't even need a credit history to qualify. Who Kikoff isn't right for? Kikoff also comes with some drawbacks to keep in mind. For example, Kikoff likely isn't the right choice if you want more freedom. You can only use a Kikoff line of credit to purchase products from the company's store, and you can't check out what you can buy until after you open your account. In comparison, you can use other credit-building products like secured credit cards or secured personal loans to cover a wide variety of expenses and purchases. Only want a Credit Builder loan? To get a Credit Builder loan through Kikoff, you must first open a line of credit. If you don't want a line of credit, you'll need to consider other companies. Live in Delaware or Indiana? While Kikoff is available in 48 states, people who live in Delaware or Indiana will need to consider other options. Kikoff loan details. Loan amounts and terms. Loan amount. A Kikoff line of credit comes with a credit line of $750. Loan terms. Both the line of credit and Credit Builder loan come with 12-month terms. You have the option to renew the line of credit annually. Loan costs. APR. Kikoff products come with 0% APR. Monthly fee. You'll have to pay a $5 monthly membership fee to keep your Kikoff account open. Other fees. Outside of the monthly membership fee, you won't have to worry about other charges on your Kikoff account. There are no administrative fees, annual fees, late fees, or annual finance charges. Perks and features. Can improve 4 factors of your credit score. Through Kikoff's products, you could see an improvement in your payment history, credit utilization, credit mix, and average account age, all of which can help boost your credit score. Cancel at any time. You can sign up for a credit account for as long as you'd like and can cancel at any time without penalty. Keep in mind that you'll have to repay any owed balance before you can close your account. How to qualify for a Kikoff account. Personal loan applications, including those for Credit Builder loans, are approved or declined based on a number of factors. All lenders have their own unique underwriting requirements, but these typically include information from an applicant's credit profile and other factors that demonstrate the ability to repay the loan, such as income. To qualify for a Kikoff credit account, you simply need to be a U.S. citizen with a valid Social Security number who is at least 18 years old. Remember that Kikoff is available in all states except for Delaware and Indiana. After opening a credit account and making your first payment, you'll also have the option to add a Credit Builder loan. Credit score requirements. Kikoff doesn't pull your credit when you apply for an account and has no minimum credit score requirements. Income requirements. Kikoff doesn't have any income requirements for applications, which makes it easier for low-income or no-income borrowers to qualify. Co-signers and co-applicants. Kikoff doesn't provide any information on whether it accepts co-signers or co-applicants. Generally, credit-building products like those offered by Kikoff are designed specifically for borrowers with bad or no credit and don't require a co-signer. How to apply for a Kikoff account? Fill out the application. You can quickly fill out an application on Kikoff's website. Be prepared to provide information like your name, address, phone number, and social security number. Wait for approval. Kikoff instantly provides an approval decision. If you're approved, you'll then be given access to the Kikoff store to begin making and paying off purchases. Manage your payments. After you've purchased an item, be sure to note the payment amount and due date. You also have the option to sign up for autopay to avoid missing any payments in the future. Customer reviews. As of July 19, 2022, Kikoff has received a rating of 2.40 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot with a total of 28 reviews. Some of the reviewers say that Kikoff opened an account in their name without contacting them. Others mention having difficulty in reaching the customer service department and seeing damage to their credit.